This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Lanee Scott. Great starter home on quiet street. Easy flowing floor plan includes popular split bedroom arrangement. Study with French doors is just off the entryway that could be fourth bedroom. Kitchen has plenty of countertop space plus built-in microwave and serving bar that opens to dining and family area. Spacious family room features corner fireplace with art niche above and a ceramic tile hearth. For more information, review the details below or contact Lanee Scott at 469-523-1863.